Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Powell, and I'm an education therapist, and I'm thrilled to be partnering with Trident Academy to build and bolster their executive functioning skills. So you may be asking, what are executive functioning skills? They're the skills that we're not born with, but we learn through modeling and explicit instruction. So an example would be organization. We're not born with the ability to organize or plan our day, but they can be taught to us. So planning, organization, critical thinking, and goal-directed behavior. And most importantly, response inhibition, stopping yourself from doing something that may have consequences. That being said, we'll be partnering with parents and we'll be stepping into classrooms to focus on one or two executive functioning skills each month and bringing you information about what best practices are currently happening under the roof of Trident Academy, and specifically what teachers are doing to augment these skills and really drill down and help our students learn their executive functioning skills. I'm excited to work with the teachers here at Trident Academy, and I'm even more excited to partner with parents. There's something so important when we have learning across the continuum, right? We have it happening in school and we also have it happening at home. So we'll be sharing executive functioning skills, strategies that you can apply at home. Exactly what executive functioning looks like under your roof, be it the way you organize, be it the way you plan, and giving you strategies to make it explicit. Just like what's happening in our classrooms, we'll provide strategies and skills that you can help bolster those skills at home as well. So I look forward to meeting with you on a regular basis where we can answer your questions and hone down on challenges and skills that you may want to work on at home.